All right, I'm just going to run you through the interface really quickly. So on the top left hand side, we have sustainability indicators. Each one of these represents the state of community values towards water supply and use. And as we know, each indicator is a different aspect of sustainability, and sustainability is going to differ from sector to sector. So, how they define sustainability is going to change. And as you can see, there's percentages there, and those like 21%, 81%. So that shows after you run the simulation how much of the total water use is going to be devoted to that sustainability aspect. And two components are deemed essential to the overall sustainability, and these are sustainable food supplies and economy. So as we'll see when we run the simulation, there are going to be trade-offs, which is a downside, but there are trade-offs in seeking an acceptable level of water system sustainability. And now we will talk about the policy choices over here. So these are kind of where we start to get into the inputs. So you can change these just based on historical data or based on a goal that you're trying to achieve. It's a customizable area. And so say we wanted to do that, and then another input section is right here. So we have kind of climate and drought specifically, since that's what this was originally created for. So you can change how different climate effects would play out, and then there is a 30-year river flow period, which allows for you to choose between 4 different traces. And if you want to run the simulation for longer than 30 years, you can just double your trace or repeat your trace. So after that, we're going to go ahead and run the model. And we can see a visualization of supply, demand, reservoir rivers, and sustainability. So this gives you multiple graphs over your simulation period for each of these outputs. And so you can compare or just even see what different or how different things are going to play out. And then we have the sustainability indicators. So this kind of brings us back to what we started with, and it's an overall evaluation of the sustainability with regards to that simulation. So if you want to prioritize one thing over the other, you can see how that's going to play out, or just doing different scenarios or changing different inputs is going to affect your overall goal.